bought these shoes for chippity chip to color them. I mean, the color is nice, but I want them to be intense violet. So I'm gonna color them today and see if I can do it. I mean, hopefully it works. So the suede is faux suede, it's not real suede. So my guess is that they're going to take some color, but they're not going to turn that intense violet. Maybe the top will and the heel, but we'll see. It's probably going to be some like shades of violet. The moment of shoot, we'll see. This is the before. They're pretty, but hopefully they'll be even, prettier with intense purple. So this part will probably not take the color that well as if it were real suede. This is faux suede, so it's synthetic. This part and this here, so we'll see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Do it like this. 1, 2, 3. Is happening. They should stay, I think, a little bit like this, soaked in water. I'm guessing that you see here, like this is probably the parts where there is some glue. So it's not taking the color, but let's leave them like this a little bit and then we'll see. They need to stay in the color some more to absorb. Suede does not take the color well, but everywhere else where the material is natural, it gets this really nice, intense purple. So this would work. This would work well on suede shoes, like on real suede shoes. So here they are after the coloring, and now they're dry and they're ready to go out. So as you see, and as I expected, the color did take well on the parts that are natural, like the natural canvas here and the ropey sole. But the faux suede, being synthetic, did not take that well, the color. So they're like bicolored now, like a light lilac and intense violet. I don't like this bothers me, so I will cut this part here and make them look like sandals, like this here. So here they are. This is the final look. I cut the straps, so they're like simple sandals, like slingbacks now, because it's much more comfortable without the strap cutting in the ankle, and they're easy to put on and take off, and they're comfortable to walk in. So this is the final look.